Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling screen recording in Control Center so the feature is ready when you need it. Go to Settings, tap Control Center, and add screen recording. This gives you the button. Once done, make sure Do Not Disturb is set to avoid pop-ups and close sensitive apps to protect privacy. You want the exact screen visible before you record, because pre-adjusting brightness and app layout prevents re-recording. So set everything now and swipe down to reveal the control. You tap and hold the screen recording icon to access audio and save options. This is where you enable microphone audio if you plan to narrate, and why it matters. System sounds versus your voice are separate. After selecting microphone on or off, press Start Recording and you'll see a 3-second countdown. This gives you time to position the app. Make sure to perform the exact steps you want captured. Short pauses help you edit later, and keep gestures clear for viewers. You stop recording by tapping the red status bar or opening Control Center and pressing the icon. The file saves automatically to Photos. Once saved, open Photos to trim the start and end, adjust orientation, and export or share directly. If the recording fails, make sure there is enough free storage. Go to Settings, General iPhone Storage, and reboot the iPhone X. This resolves most glitches. Finally, test a short clip after any change to confirm audio and visuals recorded as expected.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.